Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on SRP. What am I expecting on SRP? If you watched my previous analysis on SRP, you know that I said I was expecting SRP to push to the downside, which is around my negative 61.8% fib level. And the first reason was because there was an imbalance here that needs to be filled, that hasn't been filled yet, an imbalance around that area that needs to be filled and hasn't been filled yet. So there's a possibility we might get to that level, and that my negative 61.8% fib level also aligns with this trend line right here that is coming from this level right here. So as we can see that we finally touched my target, which is 0.5063. So now what am I expecting now based on this current price action? I'm just going to delete my previous analysis since we are done with that. I'm going to reanalyze right now. So let me go to a smaller time frame right here. So we can see that we are currently around my negative 61.8% fib level, right? So what am I expecting? I can draw a trend line right here. So right now I'm expecting, let me see if I can see more detail. Go to a smaller time frame. So it's kind of a chubby market. It's not giving a lot of momentum right now, but I see a possibility of it pushing to this upside right here around this area. So I see a possibility coming to that area right here to touch this trend line and touch of trend line and to fill in the imbalance. So this imbalance right here, right, it's come here to give us touch of trend line and come. So now because if we now get to around that area right there, the way we react around that area will now determine our next move, because I don't know where we are going next. So if I see like an engulfing candle closes around this trend line coming down to give us like a retest, then there's a possibility that we may just continue to push to the upside, right? But if I see, before I go for a sell, I'd like it to at least push down from this trend line, give us a break of structure, come to retest, then continue to push to the downside, right? For us to see that we have changed directions, and my target for the down move will be around that area, which is this. So this will be my first target right here before we now decide on what will happen. But I still think as of right now we're going to continue to push to the upside, because it's giving us something like a descending pattern which shows a continuation to the upside. Then coming from this trend line will determine if you're going to go up or if it's going to come down, break this previous low, retest the trend line for confirmations that the bears are in the market. Then it's going to continue to drop to the downside. So on XRP, we just have to be a little bit more patient. I'll prefer to at least come here for us to determine our next move, right? So we need more data to know what next on SRP. We just have to be a little bit more patient. So that is my thoughts on SRP, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.